I'm Aaron Graber with Ventrac, and in this video, we're doing a lawn installation. This is brand new construction, and the last thing that happened on this property was rough grade with a bulldozer. They actually did a very good job, and the property itself doesn't have a lot of demanding terrain, so it's pretty flat. There's not anything that's super crazy, but there are a few interesting little things that we have to go in and fix and work around, which makes the Ventrac perfect for this job. Because of those factors, this property is perfect for showcasing how one Ventrac with a few different attachments can do this entire installation in one day. Because we get the fun of turning this into a video shoot, however, I'm gonna have a couple different tractors, probably more attachments than I need, and we might even take an extra day just to gather more shots of the process. The purpose of this video is to start with those basic ground engaging tools on the Ventrac and then work all the way up to the high precision seeding equipment that we have to show that you can use this machine to do the entire job no matter what the property looks like. New construction sites like this are usually a challenge because of all the variables. It's hard to get the job done without a lot of different types of equipment, but the Ventrac is the one thing that you can use that has all the attachments you need to make sure you get the job done correctly. If you don't do this process well, the yard will be bumpy, there might be low spots that hold water, there's going to be constant headaches maintaining this property and this lawn into the future. But by using the Ventrac and doing it from start to finish with one machine and one contractor, in this case me, we're going to get this into a place where it's easy to live with and they're happy to be here years away from now. I'm going to start right away with the 4520 in the bucket, and then slowly I'll transition to some of the other attachments, and we're going to work all day. So here we are, day 2 on the large lawn installation project. Yesterday we finished leveling everything out with the Power Rake, and today we get to use the seeding attachments. So we have 2 different varieties here, and they do 2 different jobs. This is the primary seeder. That's what we're gonna finish with, and we're gonna actually do the installation of the seed. And this is the soil cultivator. So this is the step in between Power Rake and seeding. We're at the point where you could just throw seed down and then top it with straw or something and call it a day. That would be the quick and dirty way to get it done, but it's not the optimal way to get it done. So this is where the process starts to get a little bit more professional, and we're gonna use the soil cultivator as the next step. What that will do is bury the stones that are on top, and it will also provide a perfect seed bed for this seed to drop into. And the reason that's important is the better the seed bed, the better your germination rates. The better your germination rates, the less seed you have to use, and grass seed is expensive. So by doing this, we'll end up with the best results, but we'll also be able to control the product that we use and not put too much down. The conditions today are actually pretty tough because this soil is very dry. It's pretty powdery on top. We don't have a lot of moisture to work with, and it's still fairly early in the morning. So we're gonna get to work, use the soil cultivator to start, and then finish with a seeder. Well, that's a wrap. We just got done. It's pretty late in the afternoon, nice and hot, but we got the entire immediate area around the house seeded and used basically every tool in the Ventrac arsenal. It was a lot drier than we had anticipated. We did get a little bit of rain a few days ago, but it certainly wasn't enough. So this is probably something that we should have pushed off till a little bit later in the fall, but we are expecting rain all next week, and we want to make sure to get this in before that rain happens because we don't want the opposite condition where it's too wet to work. That's almost worse. And so today is the day. We have to get it done, and we did get it done. Took a little bit of extra time, but it's worth it in the end. All right, that does it for today. We're gonna get wrapped up and head back to the shop. Thanks for watching this video on a lawn installation with all of the Ventrac tools that you need. For more information on these products or anything like them, visit our website at ventrac.com and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.